สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่องมาดามอารยานะคะวันนี้เราจะพาไปเอาปูนะคะปูข้างหลังนี้นะคะบ๊ายบายข้างหลังนี้นะคะเยอะมากเลยค่ะไปชมกันเลยค่ะท่านผู้ชม
Welcome to Madam Araya 28 channel. Today we're at the Santa Cruz Harbor on the central coast of California. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day in November. The boats are here, fishermen are leaving, and they're coming back with a lot of crab. It's crab season. So watch our video today, and at the end, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Let me see crab.
Now we're going to get it out of the water, I think.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? The crab.
Sardine for bait.
Oh, sardine.
Grab that one too. That's for you. And then I gotta get tea. So.
Look at that. นกตัวหนึ่งลอยน้ำจากนั้น เราอยู่ที่ซันตาครูซฮาร์เบอร์นะคะ เราจะไปเอาปูนะคะ ก็จะมีเรือชาวประมงจอดเยอะแยะมากมายเลยค่ะThis private, right? Need to have passport pocket, right?
This is Mike's pub?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they have light. Oh, there's a lot. I can help you. Ooh.
Give me the big bucket. I'm gonna get 10 out of here.
ครับปูมีก็ยังมีชีวิตอยู่นะคะเยอะมากเลยเห็นไหมคะ
Okay, here we are with Rocco the Fisherman out of Santa Cruz, California.
We got live crab.
Mm-hmm.
We're catching live crab right now.
How's the crab out there? Good?
Pretty good.
Okay.
We're getting a few.
And what does an Italian like you end up doing on a boat here in Santa Cruz?
Well, ow. Careful. Let me pay attention. These guys are feisty. Look. I think they know they're going to be boiled. What I'm doing is what I've done all my life. I'm salt to the sea.
You're salt to the sea?
Yeah.
You got anything to tell the people out in YouTube land?
This is my livelihood. You know, this makes me feel alive. You know, and giving my friends some crab to eat for the holidays makes me happy.
It's a holiday spirit right there. From Rocco the Fisherman in Santa Cruz Wharf, California. Beautiful day.
Okay,
Okay.
carry these.
Yeah, I got them.
ถ้าคุณชอบคลิปนี้ก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์แล้วก็กดติดตามเพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้พวกเราด้วยนะคะขอบคุณมากค่ะเจอกันคลิปหน้านะคะท่านผู้ชมบ๊ายบาย
Thank you for watching our video. We're at the Santa Cruz Harbor. Hit like and subscribe for our next video of Madam Araya 28 channel. Swati.